Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing Snappy from Toy Story. Okay, now let's get started. Let's start off by drawing the shape of the body. At the top, let's draw a line across. And then angle it down on each end. Now let's bring it out. And then curve it down. Now let's bring each line down on the sides. And curve it in at the bottom. Now let's close off the body with a line across. And that's it for the shape of the body. Now let's hop in and let's draw the eye. Let's start by drawing a large circle. And then another circle inside. Now inside this middle circle, let's draw a line across at the bottom. And then a circle in the center for the pupil. And color this one in black. Now we're going to hop out and let's draw a small bump at the top. The same thing at the bottom. And one on each side. Now let's add another bump on each of the top corners. And the bottom corners. And then in between each one, let's add another bump all the way around. And that's it for the eye. Now let's hop out and let's draw some details on the camera. Let's start on the top corners and let's draw a line in. And then a straight line down on each side. And let's angle it back down and out. Now inside on the top right, let's draw a small circle. And color this in black. And then on the left side, we're going to draw a larger rectangle. Then at the top, let's draw a small circle. And a larger one next to it. And color this larger one in black. And then in the bottom half, let's draw a sideways rectangle. Now let's hop to the top in the center and let's add a curve across. and then a curve up on top. Now let's hop out and let's draw a bump up on the top left. And add a line across inside. Now let's move over to the right side and let's draw 2 lines up and a line across. And add some stripes down inside. And that's it for the body. Lastly, let's add the tripod at the bottom. Let's start with the bump up in the center. And a line across at the bottom. Now from each end, let's curve it in. And let's leave a gap in the middle. Now in the gap, let's add a bump up. And another bump underneath. Now for the first leg, let's draw 2 lines down. And a curve at the bottom. And let's add one more curve up at the bottom here. Next, we're going to hop out and we're going to draw 2 more legs. Let's draw 2 angles down and out on each side. And close off the bottom with a curve. And lastly, inside each leg, let's draw a curve across at the bottom. And then another set of curves at the top. And that's it for Snappy. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!